Dear students, today we are going to start exercise 4.2 and it is the question number 1. Question is construct the quadrilateral LIFT, okay, in which the measurements of sides are given here. LI is given 4 centimeter, IF is equal to 3 centimeter, TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and IT is given here 4 centimeter. Okay, and all of you know that quadrilateral is made up of 4 line segments. Okay, so we are going to construct this quadrilateral stepwise. Okay, so look here, the first step. Step number 1 is draw a rough sketch of LIFT. Okay, so first I am going to draw here a rough sketch of a quadrilateral LIFT. Okay, let it LIFT, and first of all write down the measurements of sides which is given in the question. Li is equal to what? 4 centimeter. So write here 4 centimeter. IF is equal to 3 centimeter. This one is IF. It is 3 centimeter. TL equal to 2.5 centimeter. TL is here. It is 2.5 centimeter. LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. LF. So it is the diagonal, and this diagonal of this quadrilateral is given here 4.5 centimeter, and IT is equal to 4 centimeter. IT is the another diagonal, and it is what? 4 centimeter. Okay, now we have a rough sketch of LIFT, means quadrilateral LIFT. Okay, now, and one thing, look here, the measurement of TF is not given here. Okay, in this question. Now we have completed the step number 1. Now look the step number 2. Step number 2 is draw LI equal to 4 centimeter. So first take the ruler and draw a line segment of measurement 4 centimeter. Okay, it is a line segment of measurement 4 centimeter, and name it. It is LI. Okay, now step number 2 is completed. Look the step number 3. Draw an arc with center I and radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so first of all take the measurement of 3 centimeter from the ruler. It is 3 centimeter. Okay, take the measurement properly. Okay, and with center I, it is the center I, cut an arc of radius 3 centimeter. So I am going to cut an arc of radius 3 centimeter. It is the arc of radius 3 centimeter. Okay, now step number 3 is completed. Now read the step number 4. Step number 4 is draw another arc with center L and radius 4.5 centimeter to meet the form arc at F. Means, first of all, take the measurement of 4.5 centimeter from the ruler. Okay. So now I am taking 4.5 centimeter from the ruler. Okay. And according to the step number 4, we have to take center as a L and radius as a 4.5 centimeter. So take L as a center and cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter at the previous arc. Okay. So it is arc at F, means the intersection point of both arc is what? F. It is F. Okay. You can assume here LIF. So F is this point. Okay. Now step number 4 is completed. Now step number 5, join LF and IF. Take the ruler and join it. Join first L to F and I to F. Okay. IF is what? It is 3 centimeter and LF is what? 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now step number 5 is completed. Now read the step number 6. Draw an arc with center L and radius 2.5 centimeter. So take 2.5 centimeter from the ruler. Okay, I have taken. Now take L as a center. So take L as a center and cut an arc of radius 2.5 centimeter here. Okay, it is the arc of radius 2.5 centimeter. Now step number 6 is completed. Now step number 7. Draw another arc with center I and radius 4 centimeter to meet the previous arc at T. Okay. Now again take 4 centimeter from the ruler. Take the measurement of 4 centimeter from the ruler and according to the step number 7, take I as a center and cut an arc of radius 4 centimeter at the previous arc at point T, means the intersection point of the both arc is what? T. So this is the intersection point and you can call it T. Okay. Now L, I, F and it is what? T. Okay. So step number 7 is completed. Now join LT. First join L and T. Join L to T. It is LT. IT. Join I to T and TF. This both T to F. Now we have a required. Now we have a required quadrilateral quadrilateral LIFT, and also write down the measurement of the side of this quadrilateral. Okay, so we have written here the three measurement. Write down LT. LT is what? We have taken it 2.5 centimeter, and another diagonal, this one IT is what? 4 centimeter. Now we have completed this construction. Thank you.